Good morning, students. Today I will continue again unit number 12, electricity. Today's first unit is symbols of some commonly used components in circuit diagrams. Here two columns are there. Already three columns are there. In first column, serial number. In second column, components. Components means devices. In third column, symbols. First component is an electric cell. This is the symbol of an electric cell. Here larger one is called positive pole, smaller one is negative pole. Second one, a battery. Battery means combination of two or more cells. See this one, this is first cell, this is second one, third one. If there is a two or more combination of cells at the time, that is called battery. Here also larger one plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Plug key and the name switch. It is of two types, open and closed. This is the symbol of open plug key or switch. Inside dot is not there. Point is not there, but in second one, closed plug key, there is a point inside the figure symbol. This one shows open, this one shows closed. Fifth one is a wire joint. See this one, this is the symbol of wire joint. Next one, wires crossing without joining. This is the symbol of wires crossing without joining. Next one, electric bulb. We can write this one or this one, both are same there. These two are the symbol of electric bulb. Resistance of resistor of resistance are, this is the symbol, variable resistance, this one is the symbol for that. Rheostat is a device. This one is the symbol for the rheostat. Next one, ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter is the device that is used to measure an electric current. See this one, this is the symbol for this one. Here positive pole is there. Next one, negative pole. Voltmeter is the device used to measure potential difference. See that this is the symbol for the voltmeter. Here positive pole is there. Next one, negative pole. Next one, very important one, sub-unit, that is Ohm's law. I will read the statement of Ohm's law. See that the potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional. I will underline the word directly proportional. Directly proportional means if one factor increase, another factor also increase. See this one, the potential difference V. V is the symbol of potential difference because the SI unit of potential difference is volt. The potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. See this one, current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. This is called as what? Ohm's law. Once again I will read the statement, listen now. Ohm's law states that the potential difference means work done to move a unit charge. V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current, means if the flow of current increase, at that time potential difference also increase. This is the Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, potential difference means V directly proportional to electric current means I. V means potential difference, I means electric current. It means if the flow of current in a circuit increase, at that time potential difference also increase. It means V directly proportional to I, potential difference V directly proportional to current I. We can write it as V equals to V proportional to I. This one same. If you want to remove this proportionality sign, at that time equal sign can write, but one more constant should use. The constant used here is capital R. V equals to R, I write as it is. This becomes now V equals to Ri. See now, V by I, because this one take it into left side. Here into sign is there between R and I. It will goes to denominator. V by I equals to R. See this one. V directly proportional to I, or V by I equals to constant. Constant means what? R. P means potential difference, I means electric current, R means resistance. V directly proportional to I, or V by I equals to constant. It means V by I equals to R, or V equals to, take this again right side. I is in denominator now, it goes to numerator. V equals to, this one goes to right side means I into R.